Here are the reasons you should consider the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado over the 2019 Ford F-150. The 2019 Chevrolet Silverado can reliably start during all conditions and help handle large electrical loads. The Chevrolet Silverado has a standard 730 amp battery. The Ford F-150 has a 610 amp battery. The 2019 Chevrolet Silverado has an engine control system that can shut down half of its engine cylinders. It helps improve the Chevrolet Silverado's fuel efficiency. The Chevrolet Silverado double and crew cab standard fuel tank has a gallon more fuel capacity than the Ford F-150 standard fuel tank. When coming to a complete stop from 70 miles to 0 miles per hour, the Chevrolet Silverado stops at 186 feet, whereas the Ford F-150 stops at 206 feet. For better traction, the Chevrolet Silverado also has larger standard tires. Come on down and take this 2019 Chevrolet Silverado out on a free 48-hour test drive. Once you buy it, we will cover it with our free lifetime mechanical warranty.